Pool Payday identity verification can get stuck when the app cannot complete the verification step, so the first fix is to check the app connection and restart the verification process. By the end, you'll know which settings to check, how to restart verification cleanly, and what to do if Pool Payday keeps showing the same verification screen. Start by closing Pool Payday completely, instead of simply switching to another app. Reopen it and return to the Identity Verification section. If the verification page loads normally, continue the process from there. If it still stays stuck, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, if both are available. A connection problem can prevent verification information from being uploaded even when the rest of the app appears to work. Next, check your phone permissions. Pool Payday may need access to your camera if the verification process requires you to photograph an identification document or capture a selfie. On Android, open Settings, select Apps, choose Pool Payday, and review its permissions. On iPhone, open Settings, find Pool Payday, and check the available permissions. If the camera opens but the verification does not continue, make sure the document is clearly visible and that the camera lens is clean. Avoid glare, heavy shadows, cropped edges, or blurry images because the verification system may reject information it cannot read. There is another useful check. Update Pool Payday through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if an update is available. An outdated app version can behave differently from the current verification system. If the problem started immediately after an app update, restart your phone before trying verification again. On Android, you can also clear the Pool Payday app cache through the app settings. Avoid clearing app data unless you know your login information and understand what will be removed. If every step works but identity verification remains stuck, the problem may be on Pool Payday's side rather than your phone. In that situation, contact Pool Payday support and include the exact verification screen you are stuck on, your phone model, your operating system, and whether the issue happens on both Wi-Fi and mobile data. The key fixes are simple. Restart Pool Payday, check your connection and permissions, update the app, and retrieve the verification process. Your next step is to reopen Pool Payday after checking those settings. If this fixed the verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.